Step through the doorway, shake the raindrops off my jacket. Workshop alive with the ringing of every ratchet. Steady like the rainfall, keeping rhythm on the rooftop. Ain't ready, moving, brain engaged and never stops. Diagnose the engine, every symptom tells a story. In this line of labor, ain't no shortcut into glory. Break it down methodical, the problems in the timing. Adjust and calibrate until those cylinders are climbing. Immaculate examination, every measurement delivering precision in the practice, in the mastery I'm offering. Calculated dedication under pressure, still I'm gathering the excellence embedded in the effort I've been fashioning. Storm is rolling outside, but inside we are thundering. What started like a raindrop, now it's floods. We're governing, pride poured in the process. Every detail we discover, this craft is in our blood. No storm could ever cover. We build it right. We build it right. Rain outside, but we shine inside. We build it right. Hands on the metal, filled with pride. We build it right. Every bolt a promise, every torque a declaration. Patient with the process, no emotion, just creation. Oil stained fingers reading what the metal's been through. Every scar a story and we honor what rings true. Walk around the vehicle examining the damage. Systematic, never panicking, completely managing. Tools arranged like instruments before a big performance. Every move intentional, no wasted motion, gorgeous. Multisyllabics, satisfaction in the calibration. Documentation perfect, this is life's own vocation. Dedication in the DNA embedded in the station. We show up through the storm because the work is our foundation. What we planted in the morning gonna grow into tomorrow. We were steady like that rainfall, never stopping, never hollow. The work outlives the worker, every engine we've awakened. Storm outside kept raging, we kept building, never shaking. We build it right. We build it right. Rain outside, we shine inside. We build it right. Build it right. Filled with pride. We build it right. Rain don't stop us, no. Storm don't break us, no. We got purpose, yeah. We build it right. We build it right. Build it right. We build it right. Build it right. Every hell, every night. Build it right. Every night. Build it right. Build right. Build right. Every hand, every heart, every night. Build right. Build right. This is what it means to do it right. We build it right, yeah, we build it right, right. Every hand that showed up every long night. Storm kept raining, but we never left the light. Built it right. We built it right. Now the afternoon is golden through the window. Rain has eased to something soft and thin. Tools laid down with care beside each other. Quiet satisfaction setting in. Every engine breathing like it should now. Every surface wiped and put away. Didn't need the sun to find our purpose. We were burning bright the whole damn day. We built it right.